In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete eBay shipping address. First, make sure you're signed in to your eBay account. On the eBay homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner and hover over your account name to open the account menu. This reveals a quick panel with links related to your profile and preferences. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main account dashboard, where all your personal details, privacy options, and address settings live. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the section labeled Addresses. Go ahead and click it. You'll land on a page that organizes different address types, such as your primary shipping address and any additional ones you may have saved. This is where you manage, update, and remove addresses tied to your purchases and deliveries. Focus on the shipping address area. You should see the address or addresses you've previously saved for deliveries. Find the specific shipping address you no longer need. Next to that address, click Edit. This opens the address details so you can make changes or remove it entirely. Inside the Edit view, look for the Delete option. Click Delete to begin the removal. eBay will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the address. Confirm the prompt and the address will be removed from your account. That's it. Your shipping list is now cleaner and less confusing at checkout. A couple of helpful tips. If you don't see a delete button for an address, it might be set as your default shipping address. In that case, add or select a different address first and set that one as your default. After you've changed the default, return to the address you wanted to remove, choose Edit again, and the delete option should appear. Also, if you recently placed an order using the address you're trying to remove, deleting it won't change the shipping details for that existing order. If you need to adjust the delivery address for an active purchase, contact the seller as soon as possible or follow eBay's guidance for updating order details. When you're finished, double check that the correct address is marked as default so your next checkout is smooth. These changes sync across your account, including the eBay mobile app. On mobile, the path is essentially the same. Open your profile, go to Account Settings, open Addresses, select Shipping, tap Edit, and then Delete. That's how to delete a shipping address on eBay quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and keep your account details up to date for a faster, safer checkout.